Today we are harnessing the power of aromatherapy to naturally alleviate anxiety with my easy homemade candles. Begin with 1 cup of beeswax. Unlike traditional candles, this wax actually purifies the air, and I'll link everything for you down below. To this, we're adding a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. I've made videos for both my classic candles and homemade coconut oil if you're interested. I like thrifting teacups or upcycling shells left over from making coconut milk. You can really be creative here and use whatever you'd like, but if you recreate this or any of my other recipes, tag me on Instagram at @asquishymonster and I'll repost. There are so many amazing essential oils, but here are a few that I love diffusing when I'm feeling depressed or anxious. Today, I'm gravitating towards ylang ylang, tulsi, lavender, and geranium. From here, it's just a matter of fusing it all together. Melt your wax. I like sourcing raw, local beeswax. Using shreds or pellets makes this easier, and using a microwave makes it faster. You can find wicks like this online that you'll curl over a chopstick or pencil and position it in the center. To your melted beeswax, stir in the coconut oil. I like to wait a bit for this mixture to cool before adding in the essential oils as not to destroy their delicate balance. I'm adding tulsi for its medicinal adaptogen qualities. Ylang ylang possesses mild sedative properties and can help lower blood pressure. Lavender can calm the nervous system and support brain function. And geranium can stimulate the lymphatic system and support hormonal balance. Stir it all together before pouring it, and you can already smell this delicious, uplifting scent. You can blend together whatever you want and really personalize this to your likes and needs. It solidifies in no time, and that's when you can snip the wick. My absolute favorite way to enjoy this candle is lighting it in a dark, comfortable room to meditate. If you're uncertain about meditating, you can also just attend to your breath. Focus on breathing in light, healing energy through your nose and breathing out dark, toxic energy through your mouth. This candle has been so helpful for my anxiety, along with breath work and mindfulness meditation, and I hope it brings value to you as well. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I'll see you soon.